Hi, today I'm for the Redmi Note 12 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first open the settings and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see silent mode switcher. Just to activate or to turn off this option, we should tap on the switcher. Also, we could silence media in silent mode if you wanna do that. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just open the control panel and find here mode icon. Click on the icon to activate silent mode or to turn it off. And we could just press to the up or down volume button. You'll see here bell icon, tap on it. Now it switched to the cross bell, so now the silent mode is turned off. To turn it on, just click on this bell icon and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.